Let's meet Veronica verb. She's going to explain what a verb is. I know some of you know what a verb is, but some of you still may not be sure. So we're going to do a quick review. Hi, my name is Veronica Verb. I love to move and I'm always busy doing different actions. Do you know what a verb is? Let's look at some pictures on the next few pages to try to work it out. Jump, clap, sing, cry, laugh. We have 5 different verbs. Verbs are action words. They describe what someone is doing. Find the verbs. Tom painted his picture. The verb is painted. Annie brushed her hair. The verb is brushed. Amjad read his books in the library. The verb is read. Nina swam without armbands. The verb is swam. Ben rode his bike to school. The verb is rode.